Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. Welcome back to another What I Cooked for Dinner This Week video. If you are new here, just an FYI, I do have an entire playlist of these videos, so feel free to check those out. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made breakfast for dinner. I used the brioche bread. I believe this one is from Aldi. And I have some potatoes that I did in the oven, like little home fries, and then some sausage. It's just simple maple breakfast sausage. That's having 3 pieces and I'm having 2. And this is our dinner tonight. We will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to start dinner tonight. Actually, I'm doing a spiral ham tonight. I have it in the oven on 275 just to heat it, and then I'll glaze it in like the last 15 minutes and put it back in the oven. I thawed out some of my loaded twice baked like mashed potatoes. So I thawed those out that I froze from my food prep last week. And I'm going to pop these in the oven as well. And then I'm going to saute up some asparagus. And of course, as always, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together at the end. Hey guys, so here is the ham. I actually cut him up, my piece of ham. Matt has a little bit less. He's not the hugest ham fan, but he will eat it every once in a while. And we have our asparagus, which I did in the pan. I like them when they're just still a little bit crispy. And then the potatoes are perfect. They came out really nice. I put them on broil for the last couple minutes to brown the cheese up a little bit. But yeah, this is dinner tonight. We have plenty of leftovers. I still have a couple more of, or I think 1 or 2 more of these in the freezer. Plenty of ham left over to freeze and make other meals with. But yeah, this is dinner tonight and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, I thought I would use some leftovers from a couple nights ago. I think it was, I'm pretty sure it was the first dinner clip in this What's for Dinner video. But anyways, I had some leftover home fries and a breakfast sausage, so I'm actually going to chop it all up small and then saute it up with this super blend. And then add some scrambled egg and make like a big egg scramble with a bunch of leftovers. And then this super blend, which happens to be really good with eggs. So I thought it was just kind of a good way to do like a leftover night in a sense. So I wanted to tell you guys sort of what I was making with this, since you're going to see the finished product. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when it is all done and plated up. Hey guys, so here is the final plate of what that egg scramble came out looking like. It actually tastes really good. Those veggies I highly recommend, and not only as a side, but for something like this, they're really good with eggs. Some little fresh fruit cups. We have some red grapes and pineapple, and I actually went ahead and put a little of the Frank's Red Hot wing sauce on top. Some people would probably want ketchup. But yeah, it was a great way to use up the leftovers, and I did go ahead and put a little bit of shredded, sharp, melted cheddar cheese, which you can see that melted into it. Really good, really easy. This is our dinner tonight, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made chili. I got out the large crock pot today because I made a little bit more than usual, and I did add corn this time. And then on mine I have some melted sharp cheddar, some cut up avocado, and then some green onion. Matt and Justin have the same thing except no avocado because they are not fans of it. And we're also having some cornbread. I have no butter and they have butter on it. And this is our dinner tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, we are having a super quick dinner tonight. I made just some penne pasta, and I made a tomato basil sauce using some tomatoes from my mom's garden. And I do have a recipe on the marinara sauce that I make, so I'll link that down below. The only difference with this one is I used my mom's tomatoes versus the like the canned tomatoes, like the canned crushed tomatoes. But I'll still link what I do have below. I did add a lot of basil to these, no meat, so there's no meat in the sauce. I'm not having cheese tonight on mine. I just like the flavor of the tomatoes and basil. Matt's having a little cheese on his. My son likes a little cheese on his as well. And then I'm having a salad here with some crispy romaine, some English cucumber, there's green pepper from my mom's garden, some tomato from my mom's garden, and then some shredded cheese. This is actually Matt's. And then I also cut up some pepperoni. Mine is the same thing, except instead of cheese, I have the crispy little wonton salad toppers. And then we're gonna have, I'm having the Planet Organics raspberry oregano dressing, which this is a company that I work for sometimes on the weekends at different craft fairs and venues and art shows and festivals. So I always have a discount code for them down below in my description box. I'm having this on my salad, and I think Matt's gonna try out this raspberry vinaigrette, which my sister actually gave us. It's not even open. I guess she got two and didn't like one of them, so she just gave it to us to try out. But anyways, this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so in the fall and year round, I love to use my crock pot, but I've noticed in the fall I use it a lot because in the summer I'm always on the go with my son, and in the fall I get back into a routine of being at home working while my son's at school. So this is a really easy one. I have a whole video on it. It's like a Spanish style chicken thigh dish. I kind of just made it up using very simple ingredients a couple years ago when I was just trying to throw something together. So I've got boneless, skinless chicken breast that I just seared, and all you need for this are the chicken thighs. I think I said breast, but it's chicken thighs. The breast I feel might be a little bit dry, although you could probably do it. So you just seared off the chicken thighs. I'm going to add a can of creamed corn. This is a really easy one. I'm going to add a can of pinto beans that I just have drained and cleaned off. And then I'm going to add some chunky salsa. And this is really easy. You just add it all in, and it makes like a really nice stew. So I'm going to give this a stir, and then I'll show you what it looks like before I put the lid on. So I stirred it up. You want the chicken on the bottom, and you want everything else on the top, and then it will slow cook, and all the flavors will seep into the chicken, and it's just really, really good. So I always do this one in the crock pot. I will link this entire video, cooking video, down below, and then I'm going to serve it over yellow rice, and it actually makes a good amount. My husband and I will usually eat, like, I'll eat one chicken thigh because the rice is filling with some veggies or salad on the side. My husband will have two, and since there's 5, I'll have a couple left that I'll probably have for leftovers tomorrow for lunch. And this is really good yellow rice. Super cheap, and this little bag makes a ton. So of course, as always, I'll show you it plated up. But I just wanted to share what I was putting in the crock pot for dinner. It's about 11:30 in the morning, and this will be done around 5:30 and ready to go. And again, I'll link the video down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so here is how that Spanish style chicken stew came out. I did it over the yellow rice like I showed you guys. I have plenty of leftovers in here and rice. And my husband's having a little bit more than I am because he eats a little bit more than me. I think I am going to go ahead and put a little bit of this finely grated sharp cheddar on it. It's really good on top. Melts really nicely. And then we're having 2 small little side salads, and my husband's going to have the Ken's Steakhouse garlic parmesan, and I'm going to have my fave, the raspberry oregano, of course. So super easy dinner tonight. Looks really good. We're going to dig in. Once again, the recipe for this is down below the video I did. But anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner we're having actually a dish that I made for lunch today. I made a big batch of the sausage. It's really hot, with kale and zucchini, has some red pepper flakes and garlic. I made a big batch for lunch, and we had plenty left for dinner, so I just made the rest for dinner. So there's 2 little mini sweet potatoes with little butter and cinnamon sugar, a couple eggs over easy here with some Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. And then again, the sausage, kale, and zucchini. I actually have my plate in the microwave right now and my eggs on deck waiting to go. But anyways, this is our dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Dinner. Again, I have a playlist, an entire playlist on all my What's for Dinner videos if you want to check it out. I'll leave it linked down below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.